Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are decorating this beautiful kitchen and dining area for the holidays. This home sits right on the golf course here in South Florida and has the most beautiful views. It has also been under renovation for the last couple of months. The kitchen was just completed, very minimal and modern, lots of clean lines and just absolutely gorgeous. The perfect backdrop for holiday decor. There's still some work going on, hence the reason the scaffolding is still here. We're hoping it would be gone by the time we're done decorating, but for now we're just going to work around it and hopefully it's gone by the time we're done. My hair is already tied up. I'm ready to get started. One of the projects that we're going to be doing is adding some greenery and some Christmas decor to the light fixture here. I also plan on doing something very simple on the table because this is going to be the focal point of this area. Over here with these huge mirrors, I'm going to be draping garland on each side of it and adding some decor to that. This shelving unit has pretty much nothing in it at the moment because, like I said, this kitchen was just completed, so there is nothing in here. We're going to be adding some Christmas decor in here as well. On the opposite side of the dining room is a built-in bar area that we will also decorate for the holidays. Although we're not decorating the living room in this video, I will put up and decorate the Christmas tree. This is my sister and brother-in-law's home. They both work from home and here she is helping me glide that scaffolding to the other side of the room. I'm going to get started by putting up the tree. This is a 9-foot slim balsam fir from Amazon. It's one of the more affordable ones available in this size. It's pre-lit and super easy to put together. Since it is new, it took some time to fluff, but she was here to help me with that. After separating the pieces, we finished by setting the ends downward for a more natural look. I'm using the Norfolk Real Touch Garlands to drape the mirrors and the light fixture. I used these on my shelving last year. These are as real as it gets. I ordered 4 15-feet garlands for around the mirrors and 2 5-feet ones for the chandelier. They compact tightly, so I'm trying to get all the bends out so they're easier to put up. 15 feet of this garland is somewhat heavy, so command hooks are not going to hold them up. Believe me, I have tried. So instead I'm attaching them to the wall using picture hooks that I normally use for putting up frames. They come in different sizes depending on weight. I think I ended up using about 8 50-pound hooks in total. I wanted to make sure that they held up because I'm doing 2 layers for a fuller look. Okay, I got some additional greenery at Hobby Lobby to add to this because the look I'm going for is very whimsy. I wanted kind of like draping at different heights. I picked up these. I only picked up a couple, like 3 of them. It's on a Christmas stem. I went into where they have the general stems because I was looking for something that draped like this. These are $22 and I think 50% off or 40% off. but I like the drapiness of it. I only picked up a couple because I wasn't sure if the color was going to work, and I thought of breaking them into separate pieces and just kind of putting them at different intervals. So this is one option. The other option is this garland. It just says greenery garland. These are $40 less 40% off. This is 6 feet long. It's a lot easier to do because it's already a garland and it just drapes. The green is a little bit different to that one, so I wasn't sure which one was going to work best. So the choice is between that and this. I'm gonna just kind of throw it up and see which one I like best, because I'm definitely gonna need to get more. I just didn't know which one I would prefer. This is the next day. I was only able to get one layer up, and thankfully they are not on the floor. It did take me some time figuring out the best placement for the hooks. I'm adding the second set now, and I'm using some Velcro ties to hold them together. These are reusable and work really well. I decided on using the drooping stems instead of the garland I shared earlier. These have a more realistic color, so I'm gonna head back to the store to get 3 more for the other side. I ordered 4 of these 4-foot trees. These are the My Texas House pre-lit cypress pot Christmas trees. They have LED lights. These have been very popular. They're actually sold out in most stores. We were able to snag 4 of them because this is a much bigger space. So anything you do here, it requires like multiple of anything. These 4-foot ones, I'm probably going to use it like a little bit of a cluster with that tree. I'm not going to use them all here, probably 2 here, and then I'll use them in different spots as we go along. Let's unbox these and get them put together and fluffed up. Okay, let's get started on the bar area here. This area needs a lot of help to sort of tie it into the rest of the room because we have all of that going on that end. I'm gonna go ahead and clear it up and then add one of those trees we just unboxed along with a smaller one I got at Kirkland's. We got this set of reindeers at Pottery Barn. They come in a set of 3 and 3 different sizes. You can actually get the dupe of this at Aldi's. I got the dupe last year in black. I would say the difference is these are a lot lighter in terms of the weight of it as compared to the ones I got at Aldi's last year, or Aldi's, however you say it. I'll put a clip here of last year when I decorated my home using the black ones. They're very pretty. It's A really nice brass color, not too bright. These bells are so gorgeous. At the time I ordered them, they were $22 for the set of 3. This is the color gold. They actually have it in antique gold as well and some other colors, but I loved the gold. It's not too bright and it does have a little bit of a patina look to it. These are absolutely gorgeous. So I have 2 sets of these and I am going to try to put these on the garland. I decided on making my own wreath to place over the vent hood. The ceilings here are really high and finding an affordable wreath that's big enough was a challenge. I picked up this metal ring at Hobby Lobby. I think it's 32 inches and these stems I ordered on Amazon. They're the same type as the garlands, although not as good quality, but they were ideal for this. I laid them out first to get an idea of how close I needed to attach them, and I used zip ties and a glue gun to hold each piece in place. It wasn't perfect at first, but I found I was better able to make adjustments to it over a few days of it hanging on the wall. I got these bells at Walmart for just under $13 each. The gold is a bit brighter than I would like, so I'm going to distress them a little bit. I applied a layer of watered down brown acrylic paint. After that was dried, I finished them with a mix of Rub and Buff Antique and Autumn Gold. Make sure you are subscribed and have notifications turned on. Next week, we will finish these spaces. Lots more to do. We'll decorate the garlands, the light fixture, the table, the tree, and I'll share the reveal on how absolutely beautiful this space turned out.